Looking for the perfect balance of protection and personality? Whether you want rugged drop-proof armor, sleek leather, or a fun quirky design, the best AirPods cases do more than just prevent scratches, they make a statement. From ultra-slim silicone to heavy-duty carabiners, here are the top picks to keep your earbuds safe and stylish. Starting at number 1. Ljusmaker for AirPods 4 Case 2026 with Cleaner Kit. The Ljusmaker Soft Silicone Protective Cover for AirPods 4th Generation, 2024/2026 compatible, is the ultimate all-in-one solution for keeping your earbuds safe, clean, and always accessible. Crafted from premium, skin-friendly silicone, this one-piece case offers 360-degree shockproof protection against drops and scratches without adding bulk. Its precision-cut design allows full access to ports and supports both wired and wireless charging for A and C models, while a clever bottom dust plug keeps the charging port debris-free. The front LED remains visible, and the secure lid won't come off accidentally. Included in the package are a 3-in-1 cleaning pen, metal tip, soft brush, flocking brush, to remove dust and dirt, plus an anti-loss keychain for easy carrying. Ideal for both women and men, this black case combines style, functionality, and complete care for your AirPods 4. Number 2. Ljusmaker for AirPods Pro 3 Case 2026 with Cleaner Kit. The Ljusmaker Soft Silicone Protective Cover for AirPods Pro 3rd Generation, 2026, is the complete care package your earbuds deserve. Designed for a precise match with the 2025 AirPods Pro 3, not for earlier models, this one-piece case offers 360-degree shockproof protection from drops and scratches without adding bulk. The premium silicone feels silky and skin-friendly, while the bottom dust cover keeps the charging port clean. A see-through thin wall allows the front LED to remain visible during wired or wireless charging. The package includes a 3-in-1 cleaning pen, metal tip, soft brush, flocking brush, to remove dust and dirt, plus an anti-loss keychain for easy carrying. Ideal for both women and men, this black case combines style, safety, and smart maintenance for your AirPods Pro 3. Number 3. ESR for AirPods Pro 3 Case, 2026. The ESR Cyber Series case for AirPods Pro 3, 2026, combines rugged protection with smart magnetic convenience. Engineered exclusively for the 2025 USB-C model, this sleek black case features a magnetic locking lid with 4 strong magnets to prevent accidental opening. It's MagSafe ready, locking securely onto wireless chargers for effortless tap-and-go charging. Shock-absorbing polymer and AirGuard corners deliver powerful drop protection, while the precise cutout keeps the status light visible. Weighing only 32.6 g, it adds minimal bulk. Backed by ESR's complete customer support and a 12-month protection plan, this case is the perfect armor for your AirPods Pro 3. Number 4. Ljusmaker for AirPods Pro Case Cover with Cleaner Kit. The Ljusmaker Soft Silicone Protective Cover is the perfect all-in-one care solution for your AirPods Pro, 1st or 2nd generation, 2025 to 2026. Crafted from premium, skin-friendly silicone, this one-piece case offers 360-degree shockproof protection against drops and scratches without adding bulk. The bottom dust plug keeps the charging port clean, while the see-through thin wall makes the front LED visible during wired or wireless charging. Included are a 3-in-1 cleaning pen, metal tip, soft brush, flocking brush, to keep your earbuds spotless, plus an anti-loss keychain for easy carrying. Ideal for both women and men, this black case combines durable protection, smart design, and complete maintenance for your AirPods Pro. Number 5. ESR for AirPods Pro 3 Case. The ESR AirPods Pro 3 Case, 2026, delivers rugged, MagSafe-ready protection in a sleek black design. Engineered exclusively for the 3rd generation, USB-C, model, this hybrid case combines an ultra-hard outer shell with a shock-absorbing core for double-layer drop defense. Strong built-in magnets ensure a secure lock on MagSafe chargers for effortless wireless charging. An included braided lanyard lets you carry your earbuds conveniently on your wrist or back, while precise speaker cutouts allow clear Find My alerts. Weighing just 32.7 g and backed by ESR's 12-month protection plan, it's the perfect blend of style, security, and everyday convenience for your AirPods Pro 3.